Hello Soma fam. So today we're going to create this sketch. I'll show you the pencils I used, the color pencil. I'll bring out the design you'd like, and as well as all the colors we're making use of in creating the gown, and also the texture of the skin. If you want the person to be fair, you want the person to be dark, you want the person to be black or white, so either way, every description, you have it all in this video. So stay tuned and learn. You notice here how I made underneath the bust darker, and all the other angles I would love to make it defined. I made it darker just to bring it up, pop it up. And then the part I would want to show the reflection of light, I'll make lighter. So now we go straight to the body and using different colors to bring out the foundation. So the colors are described here. So just stay on. So this is basically just using the foundation, yellow pencil, then the orange, and then brown if the case applies. But if it's fair or light skinned, you can just stick with the yellow and orange color. The light and the orange, of course. So here is the pencil color I made use of. And just to create a beautiful design.